Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell products on Gumroad online. So first of all, of course, you want to set up your account. So customize your profile. We can click on that. And now once you are here, you're going to see your username, which you can actually edit. Now you can write down your name, enter the bio, content creator, and so on and so forth. Now you want to upload your logo too. You can connect to X. As you can see, your image should be at least 200 times 200 pixels. And to upload it, basically just click this X button and upload your logo. You can connect to X. You can design your font. So for example, as you can see, it changes like so. And now you can also choose a background and a highlight color. So if you want your background to be black, you can do that. And the highlights can be any color you want. So let's make it like so. And then you're gonna click update settings. Now, once we are done with our profile, let's go back home. And now here you want to get your first follower, first payout. So this is later. Make your first sale and send out first email. But the most important, crucial thing would be create your first product. So myself, I just uploaded the product for another video, so I'm just going to use it. This is the product I used. So when you click on it, write down its name, description, so don't forget that, upload cover, thumbnail. They write specifically what size it is, so it's really easy. Call to action. You can write down here additional details, specific details, which would add a value to this product. Enter the price, offer some other variations. And here you can actually upload the product. So you're gonna click this file and click this button and click computer files, and you're just gonna upload your PDF here. And after that, you just publish and continue. So that's how you basically upload the product, which you can after that sell. Now you want to click on payouts. And here, as you can see, there are no, of course, sales, but you can click learn more about payouts if you want, but let's click on settings. So to set up your payments, you will need to enter the country where you are located, and to ensure the payouts, you need a valid government issued photo ID, proof of residence, and if you are signing up as a business, that it is registered in that country. So that's what you need to do. Now I'm just gonna ignore this. Now, when you will enter that country details, you will be able to add a bank account or a Stripe account, and all sales will incur a 10% Gumroad fee plus some other fees. Now you want to enter your pay to the order of full name of the account holder, so your name, IBAN. So now you want to write down first, last name, address, country. Well, country will be selected already, phone number, date of birth. And again, you can connect it with PayPal, but connecting a personal or business PayPal account will allow you basically to accept payments with PayPal. So this is really important. So make sure you have a PayPal account and connect it. But first, you must set up a credit card purchases above to enable basically paying with PayPal. And after that, you just update the settings. There's also on advanced here a custom domain. So if you have already your domain, you can enter it here. You can mass block emails. Again, affiliate, being part of Gumroad affiliate enables other creators to share your products in exchange for 10% commission. Paying endpoint and some other. You can create an application, redirect URL, And that's basically that. Again, there's also a third-party analytics where you can basically set up your Facebook tracking pixel or Google Analytics and track your visitors, verify your domain, add some snippets, and basically that's how you share it. Now, when you go to products, here you can see that there is a link, so you can just basically share this link anywhere you want, like for example on Pinterest, on Facebook, on your website, YouTube channel, whatever. That's how you can share Gumroad products and basically sell them. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.